So kind of crappy Saturday, cloudy, rain going on and off. Got Lindsay in the car with me. She's laughing her ass off. Anyway, we're on the open road. Gonna head out of town a little ways. Take a look at a 67 Impala. And it's gonna be Lindsay's car, so it's the one she wants. We're gonna see if we can go down there and make a deal. But we've got about an hour to go and see what this car looks like when we get down there.
Other parts in the back.
Well, a couple hours later, and we made the deal. And I'll tell you what, that was rough. See what we got back there. Car's a little rough, but we got to go back, pick up the rest of the pieces. Pretty complete car, minus engine, transmission, but should be a fun little project. We're gonna put it away until we get the Rambler done. But there's we had to winch that thing up with a come along on the trailer. It took about an hour, moving a 1/4 inch at a time, giving the old pump 1 2.
More than an hour.
It took more than an hour apparently. Anyway, it's 5 o'clock. We showed up at 1, so we were there for 4 hours.
And it's an hour drive.
And it's an hour drive, so we got a little ways to go. And we'll see where we'll put this. Put it in the garage, get the wheels in good shape so we can roll it around at least, so it's not dragging, and we don't have to go through that whole mess again. Get a storage place, then we'll bring it out when she's ready. Well, a little status update. Been at it for a little while getting this thing cleaned up. Already got through our first bag. Some carpet. You can see it pulling a bunch of parts out of the floor. Some of the duct work for the AC and whatnot. Some trim pieces. But here we are. I mean, it's dirty. Still dirty. But I'm going to set this up on a tripod, see if we can get some action here. We might just time lapse this. All right, well, she's probably good enough for storage anyway. I don't know how much of that you can see. It's pretty dark in there, but got the carpet out. You can see how bad the floors are. See that light shining through. But yeah, good for storage. See if I can get that trunk open now. All right, so we're back again. We're gonna try to get the rest of this Impala cleaned up. Sitting here taking up a lot of room in the garage, but let's take a look in the trunk. Finally got this open, and you can see the filth. It stinks, and if I had smell-o-vision, boy, you better believe I'd be broadcasting and share this with everybody. This is ripe. See our tape up here. We had a little passenger, turns out, was living up here in the trunk lid. Little mouse. We coaxed him out and got him outside, so he's not going to be in here anymore. But I'm going to set up, get a mask on, gloves, try to knock this out. car. I got it cleaned out, at least a little bit, but would you look at that? Still got the crinkle finish. All original. All right. But I tell you what, we got ourselves a turd here. Yeah, when we start this project, we're in for it. But at least we're cleaned up for the most part, and be good enough to store. Got a few more things we want to get done to this so that we can roll it in and out, and not have to be stepping on it while we're working on the Rambler. So plan is got to figure out what's going on in the rear end so that we can get a roller. Got to get a tire up front that holds there. I'm trying to get inner fender well for the right hand side up there, but not a big deal right now. We're gonna get the front end put together, get the hood on the car, and that way we can roll it in and out of the garage when we need space. We'll just kind of jockey the cars around in here so that we can work on the Rambler and get that finished up. And then it's going to be a process for sure. But here we are. When I got something else, we'll get back at it.